Text on screen. Cooking hot dogs in the jungle. Text on screen. Join me in the wild as we make a classic American hot dogs surrounded by nature. Scene 1. Preparing the cooking area. Text on screen. Step 1. Set up your cooking area. Find a safe, flat surface. Text on screen. Make sure you're near a source of fire. A small campfire or portable grill works best. Scene 2. Ingredients for hot dogs. Text on screen. Gather your ingredients. Text on screen. Hot dog sausages, soft hot dog buns, mustard, ketchup, relish, and toppings like pickles. Text on screen. Make sure you have everything before starting your jungle cookout. Scene 3. Lighting the campfire or grill. Text on screen. Step 2. Light your fire. Text on screen. Whether you're using a campfire or a portable grill, get it nice and hot. Text on screen. Safety first. Always make sure your fire is controlled. Scene 4. Cooking the sausages. Text on screen. Step 3. Grill the sausages. Text on screen. Place the sausages on the grill or over the campfire. Text on screen. Let them cook for about 5-7 minutes, turning occasionally. Text on screen. Look for golden brown grill marks and a sizzling sound. Scene 5. Toasting the buns. Text on screen. Step 4. Toast the buns. Text on screen. Place the buns on the grill or near the fire for 1-2 minutes. Text on screen. You want them warm with a little crisp on the edges. Scene 6. Adding toppings. Text on screen. Step 5. Add your toppings. Text on screen. Classic options: mustard, ketchup, relish, and onions. Text on screen. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Try cheese or even sauteed onions. Scene 7. Assembling the hot dog. Text on screen. Step 6. Assemble your hot dog. Text on screen. Place the cooked sausage inside the toasted bun. Text on screen. Add your favorite condiments and toppings. Scene 8. Taking a bite in the jungle. Text on screen. Step 7. Time to eat. Text on screen. Enjoy your hot dog in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by nature. Text on screen. Taste the smoky flavor from the fire and the crunch of fresh toppings. Scene 9. Wrapping up the jungle adventure. Text on screen. That's it. You've just made hot dogs in the jungle. Text on screen. Remember, cooking outdoors is all about simplicity and enjoying the moment. Closing scene. Jungle sunset or peaceful view. Text on screen. Thanks for joining me on this jungle adventure. Text on screen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor cooking recipes. Text on screen. See you next time.